you ever got a boot stuck down in your engine, you can pull it out with a coat hanger. So I just thought I'd show you guys my camping toilet here I made. It's I secured it on here with some wing nuts so that it can store flat in a bin and hold everything together. Undo those and the seat comes off. Originally I made this from an old toilet seat that the hinges broke, so I went and bought a new seat, so I had this one lying around. I trimmed it so that would have fit down inside one of those square kitty litter buckets, and this is the lid for a kitty litter bucket. So if we use the kitty litter bucket and if we need it in the tent or in a camper or something, we can put a bag in that and put this right over the bucket and it attaches on there. But we like to go dry camping and use it over a hole, so I ended up building this guy. I drilled holes. This is an old just camping stool that the seat ripped off, so I used it for this. Drilled some holes in it so that it can store flat. Then on the other side I drilled 2 holes going down so that these bolts can go straight through, and I just used 1/4 20 bolts. And then I put a little metal piece on here to keep this from sliding forward, and then you just put the wing nuts on the bottom. There you go, camping toilet.